Good morning and welcome to the class. In the previous class we had discussed some points, reasons for the need of water dependency, and I had told you that two projects which are started by Indian government and Rajasthan government. Now we are going to discuss about the Abhiyan or scheme which is started by Rajasthan government to make Rajasthan water self-reliance, and that is Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. It is also known as, it can be asked like this also, Chief Minister Water Self-Reliance Program. This is very important and it can be asked, mostly it is asked in the examination, so you have to learn it by heart. Okay, let's start. You know that Rajasthan has been started this program or this mission to make our villages, to make our Rajasthan, okay, self-reliant, self-independent. Okay, so write down. To collect rainwater, Rajasthan government started the Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. The main objective of this mission to make every village of Rajasthan water self-reliance. Now see, this is the main objective and it was started by Rajasthan government. Okay, you have to remind this. Next, what programs have been included in this project? So let's see. This program includes okay, excavation of nadis, managing of wells, and renovation of different sources like mini percolation tanks, gully pits, farm pond, Joharts, tankas and contour trenches. Okay, this program includes excavation of nadis, managing of wells and renovation of different sources like mini percolation tanks, gully pits, farm ponds, johar, tankas and contour trenches. Okay, with the help of state government, non-government organization, bhamashas, non-local non-rural residents and local villagers. Okay, now beside these it also includes some different programs. Moreover this project, this scheme includes construction and maintenance of minor irrigation tanks, plantation, okay, advanced technique in forestry and crops, advanced technique in forestry and crops, and pasture land development, etc. Okay, the duration of this scheme is nearly 4 years. Within 4 years, every village of Rajasthan should be make water self-reliance, water independent. Okay, it was the main aim of this scheme. Okay, and nearly 21,000 villages are benefited by this scheme. Okay, this is about Chief Minister Water Self-Reliance Program. I am repeating, you have to pay attention. To collect rainwater, here it is comma. To collect rainwater, Rajasthan government started the Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan. The main objective of this mission to make every village of Rajasthan water self-reliance. Okay, it means every village of Rajasthan must have all the sources of water. It should not be dependent for the water, okay, on other villages. This program includes, okay, excavation of nadis, managing of wells, and renovation of different sources like mini percolation. It is percolation, okay, mini percolation tanks, gully pits, farm pond, johad, tankas, and contour trenches. Okay, now what is contour trenches? These are different type of trenches. Okay, they should be maintained. That's why the rainwater should be collected in them. Okay, and with the help of these, all are done with the help of state government, okay, non-government organization, bhamashah, non-rural resident, you know, so many there are which are not the resident of that village, non-rural residents and local villagers. Now moreover, this scheme include construction and maintenance of minor irrigation tanks, plantation, advanced technique is forestry and crops, and pasture land development. What is the duration of this scheme? The duration of this scheme is 4 years, and nearly 21,000 villages are benefited by this scheme. So you have to learn it because it can be asked, okay, in the examination as a short note, and this is very important for your exam. You must learn this Chief Minister Water Self-Reliance Program, that is Mukhyamantri. It can be asked like this also, Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban, write short note on Mukhyamantri Jal Swavalamban Abhiyan, and it can ask like this, write short note on Chief Minister Water Self-Reliance Program. So please do not get confused and please learn it, okay. And I hope that you are understanding all the topics. I hope that you have no doubt, but if you have any doubt regarding the chapter, because this is the last topic of our chapter, okay, and if you have any doubt, minor doubt regarding the topics, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. You can ask me, okay, without any hesitation. So please learn them and be attentive. Thank you.